White blossoms in spring can look alike at first glance. Today I'll help you learn to tell the most common white flowering trees apart by their shape, leaf, bark and bloom time. Keep these 4 features in mind: flower shape and arrangement, leaf type and timing, bark texture and color, and bloom season. First up, the flowering dogwood. Its signature is 4 large bracts that look like petals, opposite veined leaves and patchy grey bark. Dogwood blooms in mid-spring, typically from April to May. Next, the Blackhaw Viburnum. It blooms in flat clusters of dozens of tiny white flowers. The leaves are simple and later turn red in the fall. Look for its smooth brown bark. The flowering pear or Callery pear shows off small 5-petaled flowers in tight bunches before its glossy oval leaves unfurl. Its dark, fissured bark is another key feature. Unlike the others, magnolia petals form deep cups or saucers, often with a pink tinge along the edges. Its large, oblong leaves emerge later. Magnolias bloom early in the spring. Lastly, we have the hawthorn. Its small white flowers appear in clusters. Look for thorny branches and distinctive lobed leaves with a shiny underside. The rough grey bark is also a clue. Here's a quick side-by-side to lock in those ID features. Remember these common gotchas when you're out in the field. Dogwood bracts aren't true petals. Pear trees bloom before their leaves appear, and magnolia buds are fuzzy. Now you're ready to identify white flowering trees. Like, subscribe, and share your observations in the comments.